Why the API design is something serious. OpenAPI document should consider as a contract, a technical contract between data provider and data consumer. API contract is a promise. Imagine the design of a satellite. Imagine the cost to send an astronaut to make an update. Follow my draw to learn what is the best OPTIC to track your API evolution. I spent 5 hours to draw a talk from Aidan Cunniffe, creator of the OPTIC open source project. In 4 minutes, with this drawing, you will learn the API strategies post-launch. The ideal scenario, APIs are perfect from the start with no issues. Version 1.0. Once they are in orbit, APIs like satellites are costly and difficult to change once launched. You might be able to make small changes if your design is evolvable. You made a promise that consumers expect to be in certain places and working all the time. In reality, APIs evolve, face deprecation, breaking changes, and constant updates based on customer feedback. Do you send an API designer astronaut without tacking evolution with nice OPTIC tool? Major changes often require creating entirely new versions. API as promises. APIs represent promises made to consumers rather than just code. Many companies lack comprehensive and accurate API documentation by generating OpenAPI specs from code. Tracking API promises. Subscribe to get anchors for your memory. Subscribe to get abstract on other topics. Subscribe to increase your knowledge in 3 minutes. And do you like my drawings? Keeping promises through effective tracking, adopting OpenAPI, and leveraging modern tools is essential for maintaining robust and reliable APIs. API governance. Successful governance ensures these promises are kept consistently, fostering trust and facilitating rapid development focus after shipping. Main priority is preventing breaking changes, ensuring consistent design and security throughout the API's lifecycle. Accurate tracking and documentation of APIs are crucial. Tools and techniques. After writing OpenAPI specs, keep code coherent with traffic analysis tools like OPTIC. OPTIC helps by comparing real traffic against existing specs, identifying undocumented elements, and suggesting updates. Visual change logs for API modifications improve review processes and decision-making. CI tools like OAS diff block breaking changes in pull requests, evolving API standards. As teams learn and improve, API standards may change. It's crucial to handle these changes without breaking existing APIs. OPTIC allows for running linting rules differently based on whether APIs are new or existing, enabling teams to update standards without disruptions. In conclusion, the real challenge and excitement in API development begin post-launch. To remember, to learn, to improve your knowledge, our brains need to visualize a drawing. The channel, patrickbross.tech, a simple way for you to draw a graph knowledge during a podcast, a video, a document drawing. Follow me. This is your machine learning as a drawing.